In this video I want to quickly tell you a little bit about this Lascaux Studio Bronze acrylic colors in metallics.
Go!
In this video I want to quickly... Hey, Marieke Blokland here from Bloknote.nl. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I really don't know if these are available worldwide. It's a Swiss-made acrylic paint, and I think it even was pretty expensive as well already in Europe. So I apologize if there are Americans or anyone non-European watching and you discover that this is insanely expensive. I don't check pricing when I make videos like this. I just grabbed this inside an art store here in the Netherlands. I just wanted to make this video because I really love this acrylic paint. I don't know about the colors of this series. I only bought the silver and gold from this series, but I really love this paint as a metallic because it is so pretty metallic-y and pretty opaque as well, as you can see. I never really am super enthusiastic about metallic acrylic paints because they're often too translucent to my taste. In the past I have made a video about yes. This is exactly why I'm not using this one anymore. I don't really like tubes. Yes. When you use tubes you have to make sure that the lid and the tube is really clean before you close it, and I usually do that, but obviously not clean enough. This is from Old Holland acrylics, oops, and I really love this acrylic paint a lot. It's a very good brand, but it is pretty thick. Yeah, and as you see, if you make it thin like this, it's not that opaque. It is opaque as long as you keep it a bit thicker, but not when you make it thin. This acrylic paint is pretty fluid, so you have to shake it well. And of course when you use it a bit thinner, it is also a bit more translucent. But because the paint is already thin by itself, you can apply it pretty sparingly. Well, a thin layer, and it is still super opaque. While this expensive paint isn't. And most of the paints that I know, whether they are metallic inks or paints, they're just not that opaque. And this was already one of the most pretty silver paints that I had. I was super enthusiastic about this Old Holland one because it was already one of the best that I knew of in being opaque and being pretty in the way it is shimmering. But now that I have these two, I'm actually more enthusiastic about these. I often, because I use silver and gold in my work a lot, and I have more types of paint that I love. They're not the only ones, but when it comes to acrylic paints, I am really crazy in love with these two. The gold, and that's one thing, you have to really shake it because else the pigment is not mixed very well. This one is a bit more translucent, as you see. Yeah, but in in general, I really love how this is shimmery and pretty in my art journals. I'm using a lot of metallics at the moment, gold and silver in my work. Like here, the gold and then the silver. And that is all with this Studio Bronze by Lascaux. So yeah, if you're looking for an excellent metallic acrylic paint, then if you can find these, I really want to give a shout out to these two. The colors that I'm using here are aluminium and a rich pale gold. Aluminium, I thought it was aluminium. Aluminium. I find it hard to tell you. Aluminium. Aluminium. And rich pale gold. So, yeah. That's it. Ciao. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. You rock. Please support me by liking this video and subscribe for more quirky art inspiration and raw self-expression. Ciao.